Okay. So again, repeat. We are actually discussing about the how to display the Google Map locations. Okay. 1 minute. So for that, what I have done is here I have created a division for one row. Inside this row, we are creating two columns. Okay, one is for Google Map, another one for is form. Okay, the row we are configuring like this: margin top 20 pixel, display is flux, so that these two division will come horizontally. Okay, when you use flux display property. Okay, then justify items center content space between, and then every column that row to map width is 50 percentage and height is 500 pixel, then border is 1 pixel. uh, Border we can continue with the solid, some color we can use black color. Okay, the same border we can give here, so that we'll see where it is coming. Okay, so we can save all and we can reload the page, this one. Okay, when you reload, now we can see the area where we are going to display the Google Map. Okay, uh, but it's not over, we have to adjust because the previous content is actually only starting from here, right? So it's better we can give more space here. Okay, right? Otherwise we have to change the previous content, right? So it should be aligned properly, so we can bring this box aligned the previous box. Okay, so we have to give inside the row 2, we'll try padding left, some more padding left. Okay, padding left, we'll give one more 100 pixel. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, now it's coming. Padding left, when you apply, it's coming. The same way padding right also we can apply this. Okay, so now it's coming. So a little bit also we have to change it. So let's say padding 120. Not exactly needed. In website, sometimes some gap will be there. Okay, extra gap will be there. 20 is not good idea. 130. If it is okay, we'll keep that. No, this 150. Yeah, 150 is exactly matching. So that 150 we can use here also. Okay, see where we are applying inside the row 2, padding left side padding, right side padding. Okay, so that that box, the Google Map and the form should be inside the page aligned with the previous content. Okay, the previously we created address, right? So we should align with that. Okay, now we can give small gap between these two box. So for that we can use margin right. Okay, margin right will give 20 pixel. Otherwise this is not needed. Okay, we'll keep like this. Okay, without margin we'll keep it. Without margin also it will be good. Something is happened. Okay, we'll try without margin. Okay, so now I'm going to place the Google Map link here. Okay, it's clear, all of you understand, right? Any doubts you can ask. Okay, so we are going to keep the Google Map here. So in the previous website, we can copy this link, this particular iframe, which contains a Google Map. We can copy this and we can paste it here. Okay, so it's very simple. Once again, I'll repeat how to take that Google Map. You have to go to maps.google. Google Maps, we have to search. Okay, so when you go to Google Maps, first you have to search the location, for example, Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. After searching, there is a share button is there. Share. Here, embed link. You have to click embed link. You can copy this HTML code. You'll get copy the HTML code. That code only I have placed here. Okay, it's clear. So if you are not aware about this, you can just remember this. Okay, so now I have kept the Google map here. Now let's see how much how it is coming. Yeah, it's coming like this, but it's not taking the width height fully. Okay, so what we can do is we can remove the width height. Okay, so here we have mentioned width height, right? Let's say 100%. I will try that 100%. Okay. Yeah. When I say 100%, it is occupying the 100% of the this particular first column, 100% width of the first column, and 100% height of the first column. Okay, it's clear. So now the map is ready. Now here we can design the form. Okay, Google form. This form, not form, Google form. This one. Okay, this suggestion form. Your name, your email, subject, write comments. So these codes we have to copy paste. Okay. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to create your name here. Okay. So what we'll do is okay. Right. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a row. Inside this form, I'm going to create a small row. Okay. So this is a first row. First row contains two text box. I'm going to keep two text box in first row. Okay. Two text box. It's clear. That form is needed. You have to use this form that forgot. Okay. Yeah. First we have to start form tag. Inside this form tag only we are going to create the row. Okay, inside the form tag. Okay, it's clear. So inside this first row I'm going to keep two text boxes. So we'll take the code, two text box. These are this BR and all not needed. I'll remove that. Okay, so I'll remove this. Okay, so in one row we'll be getting two text box. Okay, the next text box should go to next row. So I'm going to create another div element. So this is the second row where I'm going to put one more text box. That text box is actually this one, subject. Okay, you can copy the subject text box. Okay, then next row I'm going to keep the third row. Okay, so in third row only I'm going to keep the text area where we can type the message. Okay, the text area I will copy here. So in the text area we can only keep this rows as six columns we can delete because it will occupy the entire space, available space. Okay, right. So then coming to the fourth row, we can keep the button. Okay, we have button, right? Send message button. This button we can keep it in the fourth. Okay, so all of you understand this now? So in second column, I'll repeat, in second column that is form. Okay, we are starting a form tag. Okay, and we are keeping the text boxes in a proper place. First row I want two text box, so I'm creating one division. Inside only I'm keeping the text box. In second row another text box, so we have to create one more division. every division I'm giving class names. Sometimes we need to write some CSS code, right? So that's why I kept that. Okay. So now I'm going to save this. Okay. Now come back and reload this. Okay. Now look at this, how it is coming. Okay. Look at this, how the um, by default it will come like this. Okay. But we need to change it. Okay. We need to apply some CSS style and we have to modify this. Okay. Right. So what modification I'm going to make is this first text box and second text box should occupy the entire space, that width, okay, equally. Okay. So what we can do is, first thing is what we are going to do is, look at this, everything is near the border. So we have to give some gap between border and this text boxes. So can you say which property we have to use? CSS code. I want to give some space between the border line and the text boxes. Find out. You can type in the chat box also the answers. Which property we have to use?
Padding.
Yes, padding we have to apply. Okay, when you use padding, okay, automatically. So padding we have to apply for this particular column. Okay, so first we have to access the column, form column, right? So it is under row 2 form class. Okay, so we have to use padding. We'll try 20 pixel. If it is not necessary, uh, we can change it. Yeah, now when I apply 20 pixel padding, the top we are getting 20 pixel, left also we are getting 20 pixel. Okay. If you want more padding, we can increase that. Okay. So we'll try, for example, we'll try 30 pixel padding. So a little bit you'll be getting. Okay. It's clear? Right. So now the padding is over. Now we are going to concentrate the first row. In the first row, two text box is there. The width of the text box we have to increase, and we have to apply 100%. Okay, right? So let's try that. Dot row 2 and dot first. Okay, inside row 2. No, inside the row 2 inside form, we are going to access the first class. We can access indirectly also, no problem. Okay, we can access indirectly row 2 form first. Okay, right. So here we can use width is 100%. Then use width is 100%. Let's see what is happening. Okay, nothing is happening, and we can write one more code for the text boxes. Okay, dot first dot input dot first input. Okay, so what we are doing is, in row 2 under form first row input tag, this input tag. Okay, so we are going to take width 50% each. Okay, let's try 50% each. Okay, yeah, when it is taking 50%, it's going next line. So you have to reduce little bit, for example 45%. Yeah, now it's coming properly, right? Almost okay. 45, otherwise we can use 49. We'll try. Yeah, 49 is best. So don't give always 50, because some gap is coming between the text box. Okay, look at this. Okay, so now it's clear, right? Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give some gap between whatever I'm typing. For example, I'm going to type Arul Xavier here. Okay, so when I'm seeing this text, there is no gap in the top and the left. Okay, inside the text box I'm talking about. Inside the text box, left side and top, bottom, there is no gap. Okay, if it is gap only, it is readable, right? Highly readable. It's actually good to see that. Okay, so this is also padding. Okay, this is also padding. We can set the padding here. Padding. Okay, we can set 10 pixel for top and bottom, another 15 pixel for left and right. Okay, so all of you learn this also. In the chat box I'll copy paste. Okay, here I have given two parameters, right? So if you are giving two parameters, what will happen is the first value is given for top and bottom, and the second value is given for left and right. Okay, clear? So it is clockwise direction. First value always starts from top. So the same top will be coming for bottom. So second value is going to right. Okay, clockwise direction, right. The second value is coming to the left side automatically. Okay, so now we can see the text box, how it is changing. Look at this. It's nice, right? We are getting some gap inside the text box. Okay, right? And the font size, if you want, you can change it. Okay, for example, font size is okay, good. We can give 16 pixel also. Let's try 16 pixel. Yeah, now it's clear. Look at this. When I'm typing, it's coming, right? And I'm able to see some gap also, right? Okay, it's clear now. Any doubts here? Guys, any doubts? If you have, you can ask now. No doubts. So all of you understand, right? Can you give thumbs up if you understand? Yes, right. Okay, fine. So now the first row is almost over. Good. Okay. So now coming to the second row, subject. Look at the subject. It is very nearer to the previous row. So we have to give some margin top. Okay. So next we are going to access the second row. We are going to access second row, row 2, inside form second. Okay. So first we need to adjust the margin. Margin top is actually not a good idea. Always I think go for margin bottom. So I will do it here itself. In the first row, I will give margin bottom. So automatically it is a top of the second row, right? So practice in that way. Okay. So margin bottom we can set. Okay. 20 pixel. Or I think space is there. 30 pixel will be keep. Okay. 30 pixel. So when I keep 30 pixel, look at this. This particular text box is coming here. Okay, it's clear. So now we'll coming to this particular text box. Okay, this text box also we have to access, right? For example, row 2, second row. The second row also we will give some margin bottom 30 pixel. Okay. Now it's coming like this, right? So now for this text box, we can do it same what we have done for this text box. Okay. So we'll copy the same code and we can change only that class names because almost it is same. Okay. Width we can reduce. Now width is actually 100%. We have to take 100%. Okay. Width is 100%. And the column, the row number name is second. Okay, remaining same. It's clear. Row 2 form second input. Okay, so look like this. Okay, so hope you can clear, right? So here we can write subject, for example, requisition form, something like that, request. Okay, request form, service request form. Okay, something like that you can type. Okay, so next we are move on to the next row. Row 2 form third row. Third row also margin bottom we have to set 30 pixel. Okay, and in third row we have text area, right? So dot form dot third text area. We have to use the text area. Okay, now we can customize this text area. We can set the width as 100%, width colon 100%. Okay, so when you said width is 100%, look like this. Okay, now still space is there, we can able to change it, otherwise we can stop here. Okay, we can reduce the space also. Okay, like margin bottom, I think this is okay, good. Okay, right? Next is actually this button. Okay, next coming to the button, here also we have to repeat this, copy paste. Fourth row, when we are coming to the fourth row, okay, we can use margin bottom 30 pixel. Okay, and we can access the button. Okay, so how will you access the button? You have to use, instead of third class name, we can use fourth. Okay, fourth, under fourth only the button is there. Okay, it's clear, right? So the button is not 100%, so button we have to bring it center. Okay, to bring it center we can give text align center will try. Okay, no, text align center should be given to this row. Okay, so when you give center, the button is automatically comes to the center. Okay, for the fourth row, for fourth row class I'm giving text align center, so inside only the button will come to the center. Okay, now we can adjust the button. So what we can do with the button is we can give padding. Okay, the same padding we can give, font size we can give. Okay, okay, now background color and all we can change. Okay, so for example, background color I'll put blue color, text color I'll put white color. Okay, so you'll get like this, but there is a border in every button. There is a border and outline. There are two things will be there. We have to control that. Border is by default, border is there, so we have to make it none. And one more thing called outline is also there. Outline, when you click the button, outline will be coming. Okay, right? So that we can remove it. Okay, so now it's look like this. Button is changed like this. Okay, and usually in button we can use rounded corners. Okay, so can you anyone say how will you create a rounded corner?
Border radius.
Border radius, very good. Yeah, there is a doubt in the comment section. Can we use just text align instead of padding? No, both are different. Text align is actually left, center, right. That's only the role of text align. Okay, so the gap you cannot control using text align. The gap space in terms of pixel you have to control using padding. Okay, it's clear. Right. So now look at this button is coming like this, right? Border radius, when we apply border radius, okay, for example, like this, 10 pixel, okay, it look like this. So now entirely we change the button style, okay. So in CSS, we can do so much things, okay, right? And here, look at this, by default, we are getting this color, right? When you click inside, we are getting one color, okay. This color and all we can change, okay. Red color you can bring it, okay. So if you want to bring red color, what you have to do is, um, we have to write 1 minute. Just I'll try for first text box, okay. So in the text box, what we have to do is, border you have to make it none, outline you have to make it none, okay. Now if you nothing is there, yeah, I think no problem, let's keep both things. What else I deleted? Redo. Redo. 1 minute. So I deleted something. I forgot that. With this 100%, what else I deleted? I think 10 pixel. Okay. Right. So if you want to change the color, blue color, what we can do is, we can write pseudo clauses. Okay. So pseudo clauses we have to select like this. For example, this is a code, right? This is a class. We'll copy this row to form first input, first text box only we are going to try. Okay. So select, then colon focus. There is a pseudo class called focus. You can use this focus class, focus pseudo class. Okay. Focus means when you click inside the text box, okay. When you click inside the text box, we can change the uh, border line, 1 pixel, solid red color, okay. Yeah, it's not working. 1 minute. We'll try outline, okay. Now look at this. We are getting somewhat we are getting, but you are getting double border. So what you have to do is outline 1 pixel, right? Same way you have to set the border also. Now look at this. It's coming, right? Border is the default line. Okay. Border is a default line around the text box. Outline is nothing but when you click, one more line will come. Okay. Outline is, so both we have to change under focus. Focus means when user click inside the text box. Okay. It's clear. Colon focus. Look at this. How to write colon focus. Okay. Just like hover. The previous session we discussed about hover effect, right? Hope you remember that, right? So here it is focus. In text boxes and all, it is called focus. So this you have to continue for all the text boxes. Okay. So what we can do is, if you want to continue for all the text boxes, text area, we can we can comma, comma, comma. Okay. Now it is applicable for these two text box. Look at this. But this text box is blue color only. Okay. It's clear. Right. So if you want to use the same color, we can use the same color also. Okay, some different color we can select. So this is little different color. Okay. Okay. I think by default thing also it's good only. Okay. Right. So this is actually not needed that much, but if you want, you can use it. Okay. Right. So coming to here, in the text area, what I forgot to include is padding. The text area, what is missing is padding is missing. Okay. Padding and the font size should be same, right? Font size, padding should be same. So let's copy, paste and save it. Yeah, now look at this text area. It's good, right? Okay. So dear sir, like we can write a letter. Okay. Request is a letter. Okay. So I am so and so. Okay. We can write some content. Okay. And it is a scrollable box. Okay. So you'll be getting keep on type. Okay. It's a multi-line text box. Here scroll bar will come. Okay. Clear? Right. Now look at this. After keeping the send message button, okay, some gap is here. Okay, some gap is here. So first we have set some height, right? Width and height. This 500 we can reduce to 460. 460 will reduce. Okay, so now it's look good. All right. So finally we have to do one more thing called look at this black color border. This black color border is actually not needed. Okay, black color border is not needed. Okay, so we can remove that black color border. We set for row this map column, right? This we can remove. This we can remove. Okay. It's clear. So now look at this. It look like this. Okay, but here there is no border. So if there is no border, it's not look good. Okay, for this form. So instead of border, we can give a background color. We can give a background color for this form. Okay, so we can apply background color. Some light color we can select like this. Okay, some light color we can select. Okay, now look at this. After applying color, it's okay, it's actually really so much different, right? Look at this. In the previous form, this is a previous HTML form. It's clear. If you want, you can give some gap over here also. Okay, right? So that's all about this. Contact us. Any doubts you have? So we can send and we can click this button. Okay, so anything you don't understand, you can ask now. No doubt. Clear. So all of you understand, clear? You can, yeah, right. I think that's all about the major thing I have covered. Like this Google Map, we can also play YouTube video also. Okay, we can also play YouTube video. I will show you one demonstration how to include a YouTube video in this page. Okay, it's clear. And one more thing, this rounded corner here also we can give rounded corner. Okay, so that is also possible. Some gap also we can give gap. I'll try here. Justify content space. Between is not working. Space evenly. Nothing is working. Space around. Okay, center. Let's try some other way. Map. We can give some margin right. Yeah, now it's coming some gap. Okay, you can put it in one without gap also. That is one way of doing it. Okay, and we can try border radius. Border radius 10 pixel. Okay, here also we'll try border radius 10 pixel. And box shadow also we can apply. So in the previous day we discussed box shadow, right? Like this box shadow we can apply here. Okay, so previous box shadow will copy 0 pixel, 3 pixel, 8 pixel. Okay, this black color box shadow. Where I'm applying the map column and form column. Okay, so the entire thing will be like pop-up. It will be projected. So it comes like this. See, box shadow, the rounded corner. Okay, so when I click contact us, it will show this. Okay, the spacing and all you have to adjust properly. Okay, it's clear, fine. Right, so now so next we are going to move on to the one more important topic called how to include YouTube video. So for example, you can select some video from YouTube. For example, I'll take this video. Okay, and here this video has share button, right? So you can click this share button, and there is a option called embed. Okay, when you click embed, you will get a HTML code. Okay, it's clear. You can select everything and you can copy this. Okay, otherwise you can click here, copy. You can copy this, and you come to this your page. Okay, just you have to come to the page where you want to include. For example, I want to include in the banner image. Okay, so I'm going to include the YouTube video here in the right side of this right side here banner. Okay, so let's see banner. Where is the banner image? This is a banner. Okay, so we'll create one division here for showing the video. So here only I'm going to place the video. So the class name is video. Okay, so here I'll copy paste the iframe. This is also iframe similar to Google Map. Okay, look at this iframe, width is there, height is there. Source is nothing but the YouTube link. Okay, YouTube link you will get. Okay, so it's just you can copy that. Okay, now for this banner we have to write the CSS code. Right, small CSS code we can write like this. Okay, so inside banner, how you want to place the video. Okay, it's clear. So now before that we'll see the output where it is coming. It's not saved, I think. Look at this, the video is coming here. Okay, video is coming here. If I want to bring it to right side, we can use the text align. Okay, end, text align should be end of the row. Okay, text align should be end, so it will come to right side. The video will be coming to the right side, and I want to place exactly here. So what we can do is we can adjust the margin. We can adjust margin top 100 pixel. Okay, then margin right 50 pixel. Okay, let's try this. When I do that, margin right, okay, margin right, we can reduce that 40 pixel, but this we can keep it 200 pixel. Okay, little down. I want to bring it little down. Okay, yeah, anywhere we can place it. Okay, this is okay, fine now, right? So when you click this, it will play here in our page. It will play. Okay. Now we can also give this border radius and all. Okay, so for this border radius 15 pixel will try. Okay, I think the border radius is not working properly. Okay, I think we have to make it display property. Okay, leave it border radius. So like this we can add YouTube videos. Okay, it's clear.
Second one.
Using my type of BTech second.
It's clear now, right? Yes. Okay, so that's all about the website designing concept. We have discussed the header of the web page, okay, banner and images, video, how to play YouTube video inside a web page, okay, and how to apply CSS style for decorating the various things in the website. Okay, so I hope you can understand. This recording also I will share with you. Okay, so next we are going to move on to the how to host the website. Okay, so there is a website called website called 00 web host. Okay, I'll put the link in the chat box. Okay, 00 web host. Okay, this is they are giving small amount of free, and they have mentioned in August they are going to stop it also. Okay, so like this, so many free web hosting is also there. Okay, so right now I am going to try this. So this is the website. First we need to sign in. Okay, the procedure, please, you have to listen properly. The procedure, right? So it's recording. Okay, right. So just you have to click the sign in button. Then after sign in, okay, in sign in, I'm going to use the Google login, Google sign in. Okay, it's not login properly. Let's try this one. I think that is not working. Okay, sign in. Okay, right. So after sign in, this is my profile information. Here there is a option called add website. Okay, so there is an option you'll be getting called adding a website in this host. Okay, so just you have to click this, and here you have to click start now. Okay, start now, and website name you can type. What is your website name you want? For example, I want Vmax as a website name. Okay, it's clear. Vmax is a website name. Remember, you won't get vmax.com. Okay, vmax.com you won't get. You will get vmax.00webhostapp.com. This is your website address. Okay, if you want, you can give password. Okay, for example, I'll give some password. Okay, so welcome. Welcome, one uppercase is there, right? Welcome. Okay, so I'll try some password. Okay, password is typed. I'm going to retype. Okay, password according to this constraint you have to give. Okay, so we have to create this. Click create. Some error is coming. So actually they are stopping the free hosting service. Okay, so that's maybe the reason. I don't know which error is this coming. Okay, we'll change the website name. For example, web. Just you'll use right. So for example, infotech. Okay. So still this error is coming. So leave it, no problem. I have a video. I will share the video. You can go through that. If it is possible, you can try in that. Okay. Otherwise, if possible, I will conduct one more session. Okay. I'll check out this, why it is not working. Okay. It's clear now, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, I will, if possible, I'll conduct one more session, or I will give a recorded video. Okay, you can just go through it. Okay, and you have to complete the project. Okay, so now coming to the project. Okay, so this is a project you have to create. Okay, for example, Zomato title, navigation links. Okay, and button. This is button, book table, book a table, and you have to create a banner division here, and this some heading. Okay, font and all you can search. Okay, not exactly same. You can change the font. Okay, no problem. Okay, put some image here. So this is a first home section, home first row. Next, when I click this about, okay, you have to show this one. Okay, about us, learn more about us. Okay, you can put one image, and you can write some content, and you can play a YouTube video here. Look at this YouTube video. So this is the place you have to keep YouTube video. Okay, and some more content. Why choose Zomato? Okay, content, if you want to change, no problem, you can change. Okay, but the layout and all, don't change it. Images and all you can change. Okay, some delicious food images you can include. Okay, restaurant images you can include. Okay, so show your creativity. Okay, through this you can put this here, some. Okay, okay, so this is actually complete thing is about us. So how will you create these things? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Okay, so how will you create 4 boxes horizontally? It's coming. How will you do that?
We have to make division.
Yeah, we have to create one container box. That container box you have to give display colon flex. Okay, then inside container, that particular container division, you have to create 4 division. Okay, it's clear. Then you have to configure this logo. You can search some logo and all. Okay, it's clear. Some the text and all you can change. Okay, as per your choice, right? So this is about us. Then when people click menu, okay, when people click menu, you have to show this one, our menu. Check our ME menu, lunch. Okay, I have given only lunch. Okay, like this. Okay, lunch menu. Menu is very simple. Images only. You just take some images, decorate it using CSS, properly align with the price and all. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is actually just for instruction I have given. Okay, whatever I told, no, like you have to use HTML, CSS, navigation. Navigation links works properly. When you click menu, it should show this this section. Okay, it's clear. And you are expected to do this entire website using single HTML. Okay, it's clear. Right. So next, what is the next menu is? Next we have events. When I click events menu, events is there. Okay, in the events you put something. Okay. Okay, I think events I forgot to include. Okay, some if possible I will update. Okay, events. Okay, I will update and I will give. Okay, so event also some content you have to display. When I click event, some content you have to display. Okay, and after that chef. When I click chef, okay, you have to show this one. Okay, in our professional chefs, you can display the name of photo of some person. Okay, you can write the name, content and all. Okay, 3 columns. Okay, then next is a next section is actually book a table. Okay, there is a button called book a table. If you click this button, you have to show this. Okay, you have to show this book a table section. Okay, it's clear. Hope you can see book a table section. You have to show that button. Okay, remember that button is actually a hyperlink. We are displaying as a button. Okay, so you can give a background color for hyperlink. Okay, padding you can set, text color and all you can change. Okay, the same way gallery. When you click gallery and contact, you have the respective section you have to display. For example, gallery is also missing. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'll check that. Okay, so contact us. Contact. Look at this. Contact. Google Map. Address. You know how to design address and the text form and all. Okay, it's clear. So clear now. So this project you have to everyone you have to mandatorily complete and you have to submit on Friday before 7 p.m. Okay, so we'll give a time, not 7 p.m., 5 p.m. Okay, it's clear. So now you can ask any doubts if you have.